Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Warframe game. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you try to change your name from within the Warframe game itself, you will find that there is no such feature. So if you wish to change your username, you will need to do this by signing in through your website. So open up your web browser first, and then in the address bar type in warframe.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Warframe website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the login button at the top right corner. Just click on this button and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change your username, just hover over to your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account Management. This will then take you into the Account Management page. Just scroll down, and now underneath user information, you will see your alias, which is your username. If you have enough currency, then you can click on the edit button in order to change your username. Make sure that you have enough MR points in order to rename, and then when you tap on the edit button, you will be allowed to change your username right away. After entering your desired username, just tap on the accept or the update button, and now your username will be changed within the Warframe game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Warframe game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.